In our previous videos, we learned about nutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, right? Today we are going to learn vitamins and minerals, water and roughages. These are the main nutrients which our body requires, right? What is the meaning of nutrients? Think and tell me. Substances present in food that our body needs to grow and stay healthy are called nutrients, right? So there are 5 main nutrients. What are those? Carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats, minerals. Apart from these five nutrients, our body also requires water and roughages. This is a new term. I'll explain you anyhow. Don't worry. We will move to vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are required by the body in very small quantities. Okay. Vitamins and minerals are required by our body in a very small quantity. We will write by the body in a very small quantity. बहुत कम quantity में ये require है. If you are taking excess means it will lead to some diseases. Okay. They help us fight against diseases and stay fit and healthy. Vitamins, they help us to fight against diseases. Okay. Against diseases and stay fit and healthy. Stay fit and healthy. Okay. Next one. They are therefore called, see, carbohydrates. What do you call carbohydrates? Energy giving food. They'll give instant energy, right? And fats are also called energy giving fats are also called energy giving food. They store the energy in the bulk and they'll give later whenever you want. We do not call fat as an instant energy. Carbohydrates give instant energy. Carbohydrates are called energy giving foods. Fats are also called energy giving food. Proteins are called body building foods. We learned these three. Fats and carbohydrates are called energy giving foods. Proteins are called body building food. Vitamins and minerals are called protective food, which will protect our body to fight against germs and all. Okay. So therefore, vitamins are called protective food. Okay. Protective. Okay. Vitamins are called protective foods. Most fruits and vegetables are rich source of vitamins and minerals. Okay, we will take fruits and vegetables also. Rich source of vitamins and minerals. Fruits and vegetables. Rich source of vitamins and minerals. Okay, we will see the sources of vitamins. Animal products such as milk, meat and fish are also contain different minerals. Milk, meat and fish. Milk, meat and fish are also sources of vitamins and minerals. Contain different minerals. Contain different minerals. Okay. Next we will move to water and roughages. In addition to these nutrients, our body also requires water and roughages. They play a very important role in keeping us fit and healthy. You know, right, after eating food, what we will do? We will drink water, obviously. Why we will drink water? To pass the food smoothly into digestive system from food pipe. We are having food pipe from here, right? To pass the food from the food pipe, we are having here throat, we are having down throat, we are having food pipe which will go to our digestive system, our intestine. Okay, for digestion it will go into stomach, right? That food pipe which will go into stomach, it also require water, because we will see we are having one big pipe. If you are passing some soil material through the pipe, it will go, no. When we are passing water along with that material, it will go smoothly, right? Similarly here also, if we require water after eating food, because we require water to pass the food smoothly through our food pipe to stomach for digestion, right? So in addition to these nutrients, our body also require water and roughages. They play a very important role in keeping us fit and healthy. In addition to these nutrients, in addition to these nutrients, our body also require water and roughages. To keep us fit and healthy. Okay. About 60%, they play a very important role in keeping us fit and healthy. About 60% of our body is made up of water. It is also form the main component of our blood. Our body is about 60%. About 60% of our body is made up of water. Of our body is made up of water. Okay. Water acts as it also forms the main component of our blood. It is also forms the main component of our blood. Okay. Water acts as a medium for the transport of various materials inside our body. Just now I said you, it acts as a transport medium. Water acts as a transport. Water acts as a medium for the transport of various materials. Act as a medium, we will write. Act as a medium for transport, to transport various substances. Medium for the transport of various materials. For the transport of various materials inside our body. Inside our body. Okay. Next one. It helps in the easy passage of food in our digestive system. It helps in easy passage of food in digestive system. Just now I have given you one example, right? Similar to this. It helps in easy passage of food in digestive system. Next one. Water is very important for our life and we cannot survive without water. Water is, if we don't eat food, even though we will drink water, right? Because water is the most important component and we can say it is the most important, what is very important for our life. It is very important for our life to survive and to live. We cannot survive, we cannot live without water. Water is play a very essential role. Okay. Roughages, next we will move to roughages. Roughage is a kind of plant food that cannot be digested by the human body. Okay. It adds bulk to the food and thus helps the body to get rid of undigested waste. Sources of roughages are oats, dalia, corn, cabbage and fruits and raw vegetables eaten as salad. We will write the definition of roughage. Roughage is a kind of plant food that cannot be digested by the human body. Roughage is a kind of plant food that cannot be digested by human body. It is a kind of plant food that cannot be digested by the human body. It adds bulk to the food. Roughages helps in removal of undigested food from our body. It helps in removal of plant food undigested food. It helps in removal of undigested food from our body. Okay, sources of roughages are oats, dalia, vegetables which we'll eat as a salad, right? Corns, cabbage, and fruits and raw vegetables eaten as salad. Fruits and raw vegetables eaten as salad, or we can say salad, right? And fruits and raw vegetables eaten as salad, eaten as salad. Okay, salad. It helps I'll tell you one more two important points which are not there in your reader. Listen carefully. It helps other food pass easily through digestive system and thus support digestion. It helps in the smooth excretion of waste from the body by preventing constipation. Higher fiber diet may also help maintain proper weight. See, roughages is also known as fibers. Roughages का एक और एक मीनिंग है fibers. Okay. It helps other food pass easily through digestive system. See, suppose someone is having constipation, gases problem, right? So what they will, if we'll go in function, if we'll eat so much food, biryani and all, right? What will happen? We'll get constipation, right? So what we'll do? Acha. Okay, fine. See, here constipation is a little bit different. What we'll take first example of diarrhea. Okay, what will happen if water is not there in our body? Motions and all, right? So that is a main thing. Water is also play an important role in our life. And roughages, it will help the food. We are having bulk of food in digestion. Suppose a person is having digestion problem. What will happen? So if we will eat apart from the food, so we will eat salad, different types of salad with their cabbage, carrot, cucumber. If we will eat those kind of food, that will allow the complete food to pass through our digestive system easily, and it will help in it will help in digestion, right? So that's the main thing. Roughages play an important role. Roughages is a kind of plant food that cannot be digested by human body. It helps in removal of undigested food. How now first you are saying it is a kind of plant food that cannot be digested. Next, how you are saying that helps in removal of undigested food from our body means they add the bulk to the food. I will say that if we are having some, we'll say some type of thing. If we want to push that, what will we do? We'll put a lot of foods, right? Similarly, if we are having some dust particle or some garbage or some small papers, what we will do? We will take a pipe, water pipe or a borewell pipe. We will on the motor and we will switch on the motor and we will what we can say, will apply the pressure of that water to move from that rear position to that position, right? If instead of cleaning with a wiper and all, we'll do that. Why we will do? If we are applying pressure, that will definitely move from one place to another place, right? Similarly, roughages भी एक वैसी तरह से काम करते हैं यहाँ पे के removal of undigested food from our body. Suppose if we are eating raw vegetables, right? Salad. Under salad we are having cabbage, cucumber, right? Carrot. If you eat that along with food, along with our food, it will help in the removal of undigested food. You will not get any problem, right? It helps the other food pass easily through digestive system and thus support digestion. It will support the digestion. This roughages support digestion. It helps in the smooth excretion of waste from the body by preventing constipation. High fiber diet may also help maintain proper weight. If you are having high fiber diet अगर आप maintain करेंगे तो आपको proper weight रहेगा. We will not get more weight, will not get less weight. Okay, it helps us to maintain proper weight. Okay. Sources of roughages I already told you. If you want roughages in your body, you have to eat oats, dalia, corn, cabbage, fruits and raw vegetables eaten as salad. The one who are having constipation problem, they will eat only this food items like oats, dalia. They will eat this kind of food items in order to avoid the constipation, in order to help we can say, in order to help the excretion of waste from the body. Okay, smooth excretion of waste from the body by preventing constipation. Understood? We will recall what we learned: vitamins and minerals and water and roughages. Vitamins and minerals are required by the body in very small quantity. Required by the body in a very small quantity. They help us to fight against diseases, stay fit and healthy. Vitamins and minerals. Hope you have seen the particular person, if it is having less vitamins and minerals, what doctors will do, they will suggest some vitamins and minerals tablets, right? And that person which is having less vitamins and minerals, what their body require, अगर जो body को vitamins and minerals होना है उससे अगर कुछ कम उनके पास है, so what that person will get affected by some diseases. It will that person who is having fever, cough, cold, like that. Why that person is having particular fever, cough, cold means it is having less vitamins and minerals, because these vitamins and minerals help us to fight against diseases and stay fit and healthy. If we are having proper amount of vitamins and minerals, if we are having any attack of our fever, if we got any fever, cough, cold, we'll get recovery easily because we are having vitamins and minerals in a proper amount, what our body requires. If we are having less than that, doctors will give tablets and all, right? So vitamins and minerals plays important role. So we have to take vitamins and minerals in our food also. Like we will drink milk, we'll get vitamins and minerals from that. They help us to fight against diseases and stay fit and healthy. Vitamins are called protective food. Carbohydrates are called energy giving food. Fats are also called energy giving food. Proteins are called body building food. Vitamins and minerals are called protective food. Important term. Fruits and vegetables, rich source of vitamins and minerals. If you will eat different types of fruits and vegetables, we will get vitamins and minerals. Don't go to doctor, don't eat tablets. If you will eat such type of fruits and vegetables, we will get vitamins and minerals. If you will drink milk daily, if you will eat meat and fish sometime, not daily in our routine, sometime within 1 week, if you are eating meat and fish contains different minerals, we will get minerals from that. Okay. Water and roughages. In addition to these nutrients, our body also requires water and roughages. About 60% of our body is made up of water. We are having in our body we are having about 60% water. Okay. Water acts as a medium. Water acts as a medium for the transport of various materials inside our body. Just now I told you, if you are having, this is our throat, right? It is our food pipe. It will go to stomach like this. This is our digestive system, right? From here, our food is passing. If you are eating only food, it will go directly. No, it will go slowly. If we drink water, it will go smoothly into our stomach, right? For digestion. That's why water plays an important role after eating food. We have to drink water. We should drink water. It's compulsory, right? If you are not drinking water, means it will. We are having some digestion problems and all. Okay. Water acts as a medium for the transport of various materials inside our body. It helps in easy passage. Just now I said you in the diagram. It helps in easy passage of food in digestive system. Digestive system, stomach में जो food जा रहा है आपके वो easily pass होगा अगर आप water use करेंगे. If you are drinking water after eating food. Next comes to roughage. Roughage is a kind of plant food that cannot be digested by human body. It will act bulk to the food. Okay, it helps in removal of undigested food from our body. What are the sources of roughages? Oats. If we'll eat oats, we'll get roughages. Dalia, corns, cabbage. Have you ever seen the person who's having constipation problem and some digestion problem? They'll give dalia. Eat dalia or drink dalia, whatever it may be. They'll give dalia to that person, right? In order to avoid the digestion problem. Same here also. If you want roughages in your food, eat dalia, oats, corns, cabbage, fruits, and raw vegetables. Whenever we are eating heavy food like biryani and all oily food, heavy food, if you are eating apart from our daily routine, in that include salad also. Salad contains cucumber, beetroot, cabbage, carrot, like that, because it will pass our food easily into our digestive system. Will not get any digestion problem. Okay. Hope you all understood. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.